Man, y'all. So I just seen the news. That D'Angelo passed away, and it's one song in particular. I mean, probably his most popular. Maybe. I mean, I don't. He got a lot of hits, a lot of good music. Um, but this one in particular, man, it's got some sauce on it. How does it feel? Or it's actually called Untitled. Um, I thought I'd get on here and kind of pay a little tribute, cause maybe somebody else wanna know how to play this, and I'm just walk through some of the ways that I get through the song. Let's start off with just learning some of the chords. All right, so starts off on a D major seven, and we got a little line, and then we gonna go to an A minor seven, maybe hammer on that nine, or every now and then you hear. Then we do a G major seven, to a C seven. A lot of times I walk that C7 up to a minor third, and then start it over. Oh, here's a G major seven. To that C. Just giving you some ideas. Play that E minor seven. That's the A minor. Ooh. Y'all want to play along with it? We can play along. Instead of that D major seven, you can play that B minor seven. Ooh, this. I mean, just that. So, I guess it's a key of um maybe key of D, but sometimes because I guess key of D. We'll call it key of D, and then we do a minor five. Let's play along with it. All right, let's play along with it. Diminished. That's a B minor. That is just, ooh, yo, and prayers for his family. I mean, we ain't been too long lost Angie Stone.